In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email Google Sites. This might seem like a task that's a bit out of the ordinary, but it's actually a pretty straightforward process once you get the hang of it. Whether you're looking to share your Google site with a colleague, teacher, or even a friend, by following these simple instructions, you'll be able to share your work effortlessly. First things first, you'll need to access your Google site. To do this, navigate to Google Sites by clicking on Sign In. You'll be prompted to type in your email address followed by your password. Once you've successfully logged in, you're ready to take the next step. With the sign-in process out of the way, the next thing you'll want to do is locate the site you wish to share. If you have multiple sites, make sure to go to the specific site you're interested in sharing. This may seem obvious, but it's a critical step to ensure you're sharing the right content. Now, it's time to invite others to view or edit your site. To do this, look for the Share with Others option. This functionality is designed to make your site accessible to selected individuals. Remember, sharing your site is a powerful feature, allowing collaboration or simply providing access to view the fruits of your labor. Upon clicking Share with Others, you'll be prompted to enter the email address of the person or group you'd like to share your site with. Take a moment to double check the email address. It's easy to misspell an email or get it slightly wrong. Ensuring the email address is correct is crucial for the next steps to work seamlessly. After typing in the email address, click on their profile. This action might seem a bit peculiar, but it's a simple way to confirm you're sharing the site with the correct person. It gives you a visual confirmation, adding an extra layer of certainty to the process. Finally, the last step is to click on Send. This button is your gateway to sharing your Google site. By clicking it, you initiate the process whereby the recipient will receive an email notification, granting them access to your site as per the permissions you've set. Sharing a Google site can serve various purposes, from collaborative projects, sharing portfolios, to getting feedback on your work. Understanding how to email a Google site efficiently can save you time and enhance your collaborative efforts. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to email a Google site, a skill that might seem niche but is incredibly useful in the right context. Remember, taking the time to accurately follow these steps ensures that your site reaches the right people in a professional and efficient manner. Whether you're working on a personal project or sharing important information, these steps will ensure your Google site is viewed by those who matter most to you.